Welcome to Yummy Delicious World Foods channel. Today, we will be making white cabbage pickle, a fantastic flavor to accompany your meals. We would greatly appreciate it if you could support us by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and turning on the notification bell. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2 medium-sized cabbages, 2 carrots, 15 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of rock salt, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1 cup of apple vinegar, water boiled and then cooled. First, we chop the cabbage. We place the coarsely chopped cabbage into a deep bowl. Next, we wash the cabbages. After that, we slice the carrots into rounds. We add the sliced carrots and garlic to our bowl. Then, we add 2 tablespoons of rock salt and 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper on top. Lastly, we pour 1 cup of apple vinegar into our bowl. We mix all the ingredients thoroughly and let them rest for half an hour. Meanwhile, we let the water we boiled earlier cool down. After half an hour, we stir the ingredients again. We then evenly distribute the prepared mixture into jars. As always, let's not forget to add our informational footnote. Pickles are a unique food common in the cuisines of all peoples around the world, reflecting the shared culture of humanity. The origin of pickles dates back to Mesopotamia, where ancient civilizations emerged, and they first appeared in this region around 2400 BCE. We add another teaspoon of rock salt on top. Using a cup, we pour the cooled water into the jars, filling them up. With the help of a butter knife, we remove the air inside and add more water if necessary. We then tightly seal the jars. Finally, we store them in a dark place for 15 days. And that's it. Enjoy your meal! Stay tuned for many more videos. If you liked this one, don't forget to support our channel by liking the video, subscribing, and activating the notification bell. Looking forward to healthier days.